Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So as you can see that I have a news article, stocks falls, yields rise as inflation data sends mixed signals. PPI, yes, we are talking about PPI that came out on Friday. So here you can see that US producer prices increase in November, rate hike worries keep Wall Street under wrap. As a result, we saw selling on Dow Jones by 0.90% and S&P 500 by 0.70% and crude prices set for 10% weekly loss. Yes, there was a heavy fall on the crude prices as well. So now let's look at a chart of the XYM. Yes, as I have been also discussing in my previous videos, that the coming week's CPI and the Fed's meeting will be very important. So that will be the most important event for the week before the Christmas. So here is the 4-hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and we can see it closed at 104.93. Overall, if you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, it is still very much towards the downside. But one important thing that we need to notice here is that DXY did not break the previous low here. If you observe the overall pattern of DXY, more or less it was constantly forming lower lows. Okay, but on Friday it did not make a lower low, rather it made a higher low, and it's trying to recover again. We have been observing the intention of the buyers to take the market up, and we can see it again. So on Monday, I think DXY will try to recover again. So before the CPI, I don't think so market will be breaking the previous low here. Previous low will be acting as a new support before the CPI. Okay, and as you can see, the 50 moving average has been acting as a dynamic resistance. So in the coming days also, 50 moving average will create some problem. But the previous resistance of 105.50, 105.30 will still be there. Market will have to cross this level so that it can head toward the next important resistance of 107 level. And if you look at a chart of US government bonds, 10 years bond, then you can see that bond has shown considerable recovery. Okay. Overall, if you look at the chart of bond here, you can see the bond market was in heavy downtrend, but yesterday bond showed good amount of recovery. Okay, this is what we were reading here. Yields rise. Bond price has inverse correlation with gold, so yes, it matters a lot. Now let's have a look at a chart of gold. You all must be getting impatient. So overall, the levels are still very much intact. My dear friends, if you have been watching my previous videos, then hopefully you made some money yesterday, because we talked about the resistance level around 1804 to 1810 level. We have been talking about this level as the new resistance for the market, and our new resistance worked also. Right now, experts are thinking that as gold is struggling to cross this level here, there is a possibility that gold may come down again. Gold may show some correction in the coming days. And if you look at a daily chart of gold, then we can see that gold is forming a double top kind of a pattern. The pattern is not complete yet. The construction is going on. So if this is a double top kind of a pattern, then we may see some downside in the coming days. But to be honest, nobody can predict the market. So my dear friends, if you are holding any losing position, then do not blow your whole capital considering the market will be going up or down. Okay. So first of all, after the market opening, if market starts going up on Monday, listen to me carefully. If market starts going up on Monday after the market opening, observe the market around 1809 level. 1809 level or 1810 level. Observe the market around this area. because this is the resistance zone for us. Why resistance? Actually, see, if we look at the chart carefully, then this is not a proper resistance here. Okay, this is just a previous high. Okay, and if we look at the chart formation here, then the chart formation is very much bullish. Okay, and it looks like an ascending triangle pattern. But still on Monday after the market opening, if you see that the market is not very strong, okay, market is dull, in that case you can expect the market to reverse again, because after all, for a proper breakout, market needs volume. Without volume there cannot be a breakout. So if market reverses, okay, then you can go for a sell position, because usually during the first half of Monday we do not see much volume in the market. So as a result, there's a high chance of market reversing from here. If market reverses, if not trend reversal, at least you can expect a profit of 30, 40, 50 pips, because market form a red candle. And on the other hand, if you see market coming down, okay, if you see market coming down on Monday, because market opening will be important, first of all, observe the market around 1780 to 85. 1780 to 85 is important because previously we have seen market bouncing from this level, as well as previously this level acted as resistance. So resistance will now act as the new support, as well as we also have the 50 moving average here, the blue line. So if we combine both the factors here, then 1780-85 is a very strong support zone for the market, at least for the Monday. Again, I'll say nobody can predict the market. That's why no trader has 100% accuracy. So my dear friends, wait for the market opening and take the decision accordingly. If market goes up, if you see the volatility is low, there is less volume, then you can expect the market to reverse from here, and then you can take a sell position, small sell position. On the other hand, after the market opening, if you see market coming down, you can definitely expect the market to take support around 1780 to 85. This is a very strong support zone for the market right now, because of the presence of the 50 moving average, previous resistance to act as support, as well as we have a new trend line also. Okay, so if you combine all the factors, this is a very strong support zone for the market. And in case something bad happens, market shows extreme volatility, market shows extreme selling after the market opening, because sometimes market surprises us also. Okay, not even Warren Buffett has 100% accuracy. Even Indian guys know about Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala also never had 100% accuracy. So do not expect that the telegram groups, signal groups will be having 100% accuracy that they claim. So if market shows extreme volatility, then market will come down to 1766 to 63. This is a good support zone. Why we're considering this is a good support zone? Because when this fall came, this was the level from where market bounced, and this is also the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if this support fails, this support will come for the rescue. So these two are the support levels for the market as of now. And as I said, this is a resistance zone, but yes, this resembles to an ascending triangle pattern. In ascending triangle pattern, we usually see market breaking the resistance and going up. On Monday, after the market opening, your first duty will be to observe the volume, observe the volatility of the market. If you see market is low volatile, and if you see market breaking also, do not take a buy position, because it can be a false breakout as well. For a proper breakout, we need volume, and without volume, if there is a breakout, then high chance it will be a false breakout. And even if it is a successful breakout, then it is better to avoid such breakouts, because trading discipline is extremely important. What you can do is, because if there's no volume, then obviously market will come for retracement. Okay, market will come for retracement, and you can take a buy position at retracement. So volume will play a big role. Your observation will play a crucial role for you. Let the market open, observe the market opening, observe the volume volatility, and take the decision accordingly. Hopefully you got my point. So this is it. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care. See ya on Monday. And all the best. Enjoy your weekend. Give time to your family. Okay, your family is important too.